All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to talk about how to get a bearing race off a hub the flat rate way. All right, various methods. You can use a puller like this in the OTC hub grappler kit. You can use a cutoff wheel. We're going to do something a little different. Some of you guys may have seen this trick, but I figured I'd show it. There you go, guys, the flat rate method. Bearing shell is off. Quick and easy. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.